Good morning, everyone. This is your principal, Pastor Leo. I'm now in Zamboanga City attending a meeting, but I have not forgotten that you are so important today because this will be your first book launch. And I just want to appreciate all of our students. Can we give them a round of applause? Yeah, no? So, they were able to write their own story. And of course, no, with the help of our teachers and parents, they were able to create a complete book. And so, we always believe as a school that our students are creative. And that creativity will always bring them to greater heights. And so from conceptualization to realization is very important because it also promotes the critical thinking skills of our students. And so today, I hope that as we launch the books, as they present it, some of them may be reading it. We pray that all of them will have this meaningful experience. And so for the parents who are here, I hope that you will also give the biggest round of applause as each kid delivers or share their book. And I hope that this is a meaningful experience for them and that it would encourage them to continue publishing, continue to become creative, continue to use their mind and improve themselves to become better. And so again, thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for your kindness, your love towards your students because these kids are really important and God's gift to each one of us. No, so congratulations to all our students. I hope that you enjoyed making your book, and not only that, I hope that you will make more books, in the very near future. And so today, as we have this sharing, as we launch your books, I hope that you would really enjoy it, the time together with your classmates, and it would be a exciting and fun-filled day for all. Again, so congratulations. I hope to see you soon. And again, let's give the kids a round of applause. I really appreciate. I saw those books really wonderfully made. God bless everyone. See you soon.